subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new upcoming flagship 5G phones under Find X series called Oppo Find X3 Neo, Find X3 Pro and Find X3 Lite. Recently, a popular leakster Event Blast has shared the renders of the upcoming Oppo Find X3 Pro smartphone with some key specifications. According to leak renders, the Oppo Find X3 Pro will feature a curved edge display with a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. At the back, the phone is seen to support a squarish camera bump coming out of the rear panel that houses a quad camera setup including LED flash and some sensors. Talking about the specifications, according to latest leaks and rumors, the Oppo Find X3 Pro will support a tall 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is expected to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the phone is said to have one 16MP camera along with the two 50MP cameras with Sony IMX766 sensor, and the fourth camera will be an ultra-wide-angle lens. On the software front, the smartphone will likely run on latest Android 11 with ColorOS 11 skin on top. The handset will come backed by 4500 mAh battery that will support 65 watts wired and 30 watts wireless fast charging. Additionally, the renders also suggest the phone to come in black, white, blue and gold color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Oppo Find X3 Pro has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo Find X3 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.